Hey guys, Javin here. So in today's hair video, I'll be talking about how you can get a slick back hairstyle of your dreams. A quick history overview of this hairstyle is that it's a variation that has been around since the 18th century. Back in the 1950s, this popular hairstyle is also called the ducktail and it's popular during that time as well. It is similar to the slick back hair. So, to achieve the perfect slick back hairstyle, you first need to grow out the top of your hair as long as possible so that you can comb it backwards. So when it's too short, when you comb it backwards, it's just harder to maintain it to stay that way. You have to use a lot of hair products. Our hair strands will not naturally grow in a backward direction. So it takes time and patience to train your hair follicles to go backwards. This involves using a combination of blow drying the hair, using hair products, and wearing a cap with the hair facing backwards so it kind of lays in that direction after it dries. Anyway, you can see right now that my hair is over my eyes, it's covering it, and typically the longer your hair fringe, the less hair products you have to use, because if your hair is shorter on the front, then you basically have to put more hair products so it stays in place to go backwards. So right now my brother is just cutting the side of my hair with the trimmer. He's making sure going around the ears as well as the back of the hair in an up and outward motion. Once again, it's up and out, and by doing this method, you can kind of have a natural fading going on. So he's doing it at the same thing to the side of my hair and the back of my hair. So anyway, in a slick back hair, it's different than a two-block haircut. In a two-block haircut, you kind of need to grow your top back hair longer, so it kind of creates a mushroom look. But in a slick back hair, the back of your hair is the same length as the side of your hair. So as you can see, right now he's shaving basically around my side and back hair. There's no top back hair that you need to grow out, because the only hair you need to grow out is the top hair. And also for the side of your hair, you need to have some hair at the top side of your hair, so your hair can sit on top of that. I don't know if I'm explaining it correctly, but basically the top side of your hair has to have some hair. So like the bottom side of your hair is shorter and then slowly gets longer and longer, so that it doesn't look disconnected. Now my brother is just cutting some of my hair fringe off, reducing the bulk by using a hair trimmer, a hair thinning shear. And in a thinning shear, it's just removing the bulk, making your hair lighter without actually removing the length. And that's key in a slick back hairstyle. And you can see the up and outward motion again here, just making sure everything is even. And there you have it. This is how you cut the slick back haircut. I'm using argan oil on my hair right now just to moisturize this hair and scalp, and it also protects you from everyday damage. So if you don't want any split ends in your hair or reducing your breakage in the hair, you should try the argan oil. So I'll leave a link down in the description as well that you can buy on Amazon if you want. As guys, every time we see hair falling off, we get scared. We don't want to be bald, right? So by using some argan oil, it will also prevent hair loss, and then this also promotes thicker and fuller hair for yourself. So now I'm combing the hair backwards. You can kind of see that the oil is acting as like making my hair a little wet, so that it's easier to comb back. And yeah, I'm just combing it backwards, looking at myself, checking myself out. Anyway, blow drying my hair. And the key is, if you don't want to damage your hair, you can always use a heat protectant. If not, just blow dry in the hot setting and then change to the cool setting so you don't damage any hair follicles. And after that is done, it's really up to you if you want to use hair products or hairspray. For me right now, I didn't use any of those, but if you want to use hair gel and hairspray, you can do so to lock your hair in place for the entire day. So now you can also see that my hair right now is just after the shower. By combing it backwards, like I said before, the longer your hair, the easier it is to comb back and it stays in place like that. And if you take a look at my side hair, you can see that the bottom side of my hair is shorter than the top side of my hair. It kind of goes from short to long. And you need this so that it's not a totally disconnected hairstyle. If you just straight up shave the entire side of your hair the same length, like you buzz it off, then I guess it's still technically a slick back, but it'll just be a different kind of slick back hairstyle. For me, I just prefer some hair on the side, even though it kind of sticks out. Here's the before photo and here's the after photo. You can see that, just by removing the hair fringe on my hair to slick it back, it kind of gives me more an energized look. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. If you're thinking of doing a slick back hairstyle as well, try it out and let me know down in the comments below what you think. I hope this video helped you guys and inspired you to get the slick back hairstyle. Anyway, this is Javen Fong signing off till next time.